Hello, tester. All right. Here who speaks is Hugo Perez, and I want to welcome you to our first free course called of Functional Testing Automation Process with Selenium. This course is geared towards beginners in the subject and who are in search, let's say, a recipe to start automating your first tests properly, a more organized and efficient way. Well, we start with my presentation. As I informed, my name is Hugo Perez. I graduated in Analysis and Systems Development by Unicarioca and also postgraduated in Software Engineering here by UFRJ. I exercised for 3 years the function of test analyst in a reputable software factory here of Rio de Janeiro. And this experience granted me, let's say, a luggage so I could launch my first book on Selenium in Portuguese. That is included in the English and Spanish version. I'm very accomplished with that. Currently, I am the Inove Teste, a project that I created whose goal is to disseminate knowledge about test automation throughout the world through my books and also from my course. So, thanks for the attention and see you in the next class.